Ever feel like you're doing everything right with your money, but still end up wondering, where did it all go? Money with wings. I was right there with you. I tried spreadsheets, paper budgets, and a bunch of apps, but nothing really stuck until I started using the Regions Bank My Green Insights tool. This isn't a paid ad, this is me showing you the best way I used a tool I already had to completely turn my budgeting game around. The problem and the aha moment. My biggest problem wasn't creating a budget, it was sticking to it and seeing my spending clearly. My transactions were scattered, and manual categorization felt like a part-time job. I had accounts at different banks, which just made things worse. That's where my Green Insights truly saved me. The aha moment was realizing it could link my accounts from other financial institutions. Suddenly, I had one single dashboard to see my entire financial life, checking, savings, and credit cards, all in one place. It consolidated everything. My 3 key moves with my Green Insights. I used 3 main features that made the biggest difference in managing my expenses. 1. The automated, color-coded budgets. First, I used the auto-generate budgets feature. Instead of guessing, it analyzed my past 2 months of spending to give me a realistic starting point for every category, like food and dining, shopping, and travel. This was a game changer because it was based on my actual habits. Then, the color-coded bubbles were my real-time spending alarm system. Green? You're good. Yellow? Getting close. Time to slow down. Red? You've exceeded your budget. Police car light. I could see at a glance where I was overspending. For me, that was always the red bubble on eating out. 2. The spending wheel for deep dives. The spending wheel is like a visual pie chart of where every dollar went. I used it to click into a big category, like food and dining, and drill down to the subcategories. I could see exactly how much was spent on groceries versus restaurants. This is how I learned I was spending twice as much on delivery and takeout as I was on actual groceries. This clarity led to an easy fix: cut back on 2 takeout nights a week. 3. Custom alerts and cash flow. I immediately set up custom notifications. The most useful one? The projected to exceed budget alert. It would tell me before I went over budget, based on my recent spending pace. That warning came in handy so many times, helping me pause before making a non-essential purchase. I also loved the cash flow calendar. It let me plug in my future paychecks and recurring bills, giving me a visual prediction of my balance for the next few months. No more surprises. It showed me when I'd have a low balance, so I could shift discretionary spending earlier in the month. The results. By having everything automated, visually clear, and integrated, I finally moved from reacting to my finances to proactively managing them. In the first month, I identified over $200 in wasteful spending, mostly on subscriptions and dining out, and rerouted that straight into my savings goal. The best part? It took less than 5 minutes a week to check my budgets and confirm I was on track. If you have a Regions account, seriously, log in and explore my Green Insights. It's the tool you've been searching for to get control of your money without the manual headache. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.